But let's shift focus to the commodity markets. Manisha Gupta is joining in. Manisha, what are you tracking today?
So thank you for that, Sonia. Well, I'm looking at a whole host of commodities, and we don't seem to be heading for a good week this time around, even as there is volatility and the markets are reacting to a whole host of data and events and statements. We still are looking at decline in commodity prices for this week as well. So the markets also are factoring in a fourth 75 basis point Fed rate hike. We have seen that via data. The inflation numbers are still at 40-year highs, and with the kind of concerns that we're looking at and the very hawkish statement that the Fed officials have been putting out, this is perhaps a given. The U.S. Treasury yields also at the highest since 2008. That has been impacting the currencies and many of those commodities as well. And then the markets are looking at weak economic data, whether it has to do with manufacturing, factory activity, white goods orders, fixed investment. All of that numbers have been on the weaker side. So take a look at the crude oil prices. And even as we are off two-week lows, yesterday we almost did $90 per barrel, but we still are headed for a weekly decline. This is a reaction to the U.S. inventories, which have declined as a surprise. Markets were anticipating a build-up in inventories, and this is the reaction to that. Also, you have the 27 European Union countries meeting today, second time in a fortnight, and the crude prices seem to be taking cognizance of that too. Other raw materials, rubber, for example, is trading at a 26-month lows. We have seen decline come in for the steel prices as well. That one is trading at a 23-month lows as well. There also is a report from the World Steel Association which says that for this year, they're expecting the demand to decline by 2.3%. Their estimate as of now is 1.79 billion tons for this current year. That's the case across commodities as well. Well, you look at metal, silver, for example, is trading at a 5-week lows, gold at 3-week lows. And within the metal space as well, we've seen copper prices continue to decline. A 3-week lows coming in for this one as well. When you look at this week then, and we have seen a decline come across commodities, the WTI crude price is now down 3.5%. Gas prices in US, UK, Europe all have continued to decline, a double-digit % decline there as well. And you have rubber then 4% down in this week. If you look at the metal space then, we have seen sharp cuts coming for that. The precious metal prices, gold, as I said, is trading at a 3-week low, silver at 5-week low, so 2 to 3.5% of decline in that. Metal prices, 3% of cut coming in for copper, 2.5% down for steel in this week. Aluminum prices have declined the most by 5% there. And agriculture commodities also seem to be looking at a weak week. So you have cotton prices down by 6%, coffee is down 5.5%, global tea prices down 6%. So this is a week where you are looking at strength in US dollar coming back again, and many of these commodity prices seeing a decline.
We're just complaining, right, that coffee prices have gone through the roof.
And there you have it.
And finally, there's some cool off in those prices.